Mukaririeti wa KTDA Nozjero na ringiretwe kura bone ni directors bamayani embu ya mumemba wa Zone 6 na ruwete akareto garuruku bukuonekana kiurimi bamayani akiwatwa mbaru iboreti ya memba bangi kuigika njero uchuaiti kia mukaririeti mbiurune ya burato kuri mwandiki wetu wandeto kuma kauntini yembo Rita Mwaniki wa Mushiri.
Enos Njeru ni uthuritwe ariwe board member wa Zone 6 gutari mundu wingi ukwendaga giti giki ni directors a mwena uyu. Ino ni thiini wa factory cia manjani cia Mungania, Rukurire na Kathangarire. Enos akathiire gukorwira giti gia kibururi kiria akoretwe ekaririte kia mwene giti wa KTDA.
Ni ngorani mundu very much committed gukorwa ngestia this industry forward niguo tuone arimi ni magutethekana utongoria wakwa toria monete changes iria monete vuvo wa utongoria wa mwaka umwe ni uncomparable turoretie utongoria uria ukoretwo ikuo miaka yo ingi yonthe na aria onthe manatuika chairman na nirenda gutiga legacy in the tea industry watoria na ugire nondu wa strategies iria ngukorwa ngiuka nacio nirenda ku make sure that during my term kana at the end of my term nendiga murimi akinyetie siringi 100 kilo.
Ni urathi na mbere kuongerera ati ni ugukorwa akirutithania wira na atongoria aria engi niguo kwambatiriria urimi wa manjani bururire.
Our president ningwa closely nawe na nginya cabinet iria urathurire uria ikuota minister wa agriculture nina mwira nake ni tukurutithania wira niguo tuone ni twa leta changes in the entire sector. Nata a young person, I'm energetic, nenduta wira diligently na kio na nenyivetie niguo tuvote guserve arimi yetu wega.
Na baya directors a ithei ino ithatu marakora makivoya atongoria a miena iria ingi gukorwa makiva Enos giti kia mwene giti wa KTDA kuona ni ukoretwe akiruta wira mwega kavinda kau arekaririte giti giki.
Akomwe uciarutite ni magiria miaka 10 uria tukikombea na wira oro koretwe ukithii na mbere koguo ningiuria directors icinge kana board members ingi acio marathura muthenya umuthi tungimaria mathi magwatanire na Enos na nigetha wira wa manjani uvote kuthii na mbere.
We sat as factory and directors and decided to give him a direct ticket. There are several reasons why we did that, because he has been there for a very short time and we have seen what he has done. He has done so much. So as directors, we agreed and agreed in one voice and saying Enos Njeru, he is going to be our board member unopposed.
Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu, mbitagwa Rita Mwaniki wa Mushiri.